It's like you vision number 4 now. Go ahead and that shit on the floor now. Girl, go ahead and show me how you go down. And I feel my whole body beacon. And I'm fucking anybody with their legs wide. Getting faded with some bitches from the west side, east coast, nigga reppin' north.
Yeah, you should have put on some bass in it, boy.
Yeah, he played the wrong song.
Bro, keep on that trap beat. That shit, the trap beat, dude. You know what I mean? Stay on that trap shit, dog. Tell that Jeremiah shit off.
Word, you know what I'm saying?
Tell that Jeremiah shit off, boy. He gonna blow out the water down, boy. Monster gonna kill him. It's gonna be a 2-1.
He got one left. Yeah, he got one left.
Monster about to kill him now. I get that 1990s LL Cool J beat out. Nothing but bass in and kill this dude.
Excuse me.
That song killed him.
And more tune for your head top, so watch how you speak out my name, you know?
I was gonna get with the bass. I thought you were gonna hit with some of it. I thought you were gonna hit with it.
Yeah. I couldn't get a bill. You couldn't buy the real thing. I was staying up in your place, trying to figure out the whole thing. I saw people doing things, almost gave up on the music thing. But we all so spoiled now, more life, more everything. Must have never had your phone tap, all they yapping on the phone shit. You must really love the road life, all that never coming home shit. Free smoke, hey. Free smoke, hey. Free smoke, hey. Down Rose toes, hitting hills where I pose. I start my day slow.
Caught him that round, boy. He fucking caught him that round.
I think this nigga won too. Son.
He caught him that round. Nah, man. He got 2-1.
Yeah, he just
2-1.
2-1 and you?
2-1. White 2, silver. You say 2-1?
2-1.
You say 2-1.
Because his intro.
Oh, because of that last
intro.
fucking try.
That intro. Maybe
That shit was trash.
Now, then maybe.
That last song was garbage.
But Jesus.
Exactly. That last one was definitely garbage.
Jesus Christ.
Said nothing knocking in it, nothing. We want to hear the trunk knock, nigga. We don't want to hear that treble shit.
Monster, you lucky I ain't there. You know you lost.
Every round, right?
What, man? You better go to the motherfucking Honda. 2-1. 2-1. You gave him 2?
Yeah. Only because she
heard that?
didn't drop. Exactly. He didn't. I told you.
She said the same shit.
That's the only thing.
That's all it is. Because he didn't drop. That would just drop.
We would have had him. We would have had him.
Yes.
You know, so we really never had no old one.
Let him get a retry. Come stop. Van Corlin, what up, man? Damn, dog. He's like, I'm gonna play one for my girl.
Yeah, I guess so. Nigga drop a little love song.
You lost the round because of that shit, boy.
The love song.
She happy though.
Yeah, word.
Your girl happy, but you lost that shit.
We going to. I'm gonna find a way.
No, you good?
I got an accurate MDX too, and we don't even use the back.
Yeah, that was a good battle, baby.
Use the back for shit.
That was a good ass battle, for real. put some more on in a minute, man. When they pull up the next one or something, man.